everybody, welcome to Cooking with Taz. Don't we all get the craving to eat something sweet, like a cake or a cookie? We do get these kind of cravings quite often, right? So what we do, we make a cake which will be like an 8-inch cake, and we want to finish everything in just one sitting. And what do we feel after that? We feel guilty. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate cake in a mug. Yes, you heard it right, it's going to be in a mug and it's perfect for one person. Please take a look at the ingredients list. I have all the ingredients ready here. We are going to make this cake in a large mug. Add the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder. Give these a mix using a spoon. Next we are going to add the wet ingredients, milk, oil, and 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Combine this well, thoroughly combine it. It's very important that you combine this really well. So here is the well combined batter. If you prefer, you can add nuts of your choice. I'm adding pecans, about 1/2 tablespoon, and give it a mix. Place the mug with the batter into the microwave. I have my microwave ready at full power, which is about 10. It's gonna take only a minute to bake this chocolate cake in my microwave. The cooking time might vary depending upon the microwave. So first bake it at 1 minute, and if the center hasn't cooked well, you can bake it for a few more seconds. So it goes into the microwave and I'm gonna cook it for 1 minute. So here is the chocolate cake in a mug, microwaved for just a minute. So now it's time to dig in and enjoy this chocolate cake. This chocolate cake is moist as well as rich. Next time when you get the craving for a cake, just make this cake and you will be seen indulged in this cake without any guilt. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do try this cake and let me know the feedback. For more recipes, visit my website www.tazneem.com. Also visit my Facebook page and don't forget to click the like button. I'll be back with more videos. Until then, happy cooking and bye!